Hi, this is Swan from Swan Amity Studios. As you've been watching some of my applique videos, you've very likely been seeing that many of my pieces, all of the larger ones in fact, anything that's not a circle, has a straight line somewhere on the piece. What is that straight line for? I call those a registration mark. When I'm putting my applique pieces onto the background as I'm stitching down, I like for all of the straight of grain of my fabric to be the same on my piece as it is on the background that I'm going to be appliquing onto. The registration mark on each of my cutout pieces aligns with the straight of grain of the fabric, so that when I iron my freezer paper onto the fabric, the registration mark is the same as the straight of grain on the fabric. That means that that registration mark aligns with the weave. Now, of course, there is a weave in every fabric like this, so if you're looking at the fabric, you'll have a straight of grain this direction, and the straight of grain is also this direction. This piece could be aligned up and down or side to side, as long as that straight line lines up with the straight of grain of the fabric. The goal, of course, is to get that straight of grain to be the same on the appliqued piece as it is on the background that we're going to be appliquing to. And what that does is allow each of our pieces, when washed or utilized, to pull in the same direction as the background fabric, which means that overall all of our applique is more stable and therefore more long-lasting. Straight of grain on every piece, aligning with how the fabric will line up with all of our background fabrics. This has been a video from Swan Amity Studios, part of our applique tips and tricks to help you produce more beautiful applique. Visit us on swanamity.com, SWANAMITY, to see more about what to do with your applique in order to make more beautiful projects. You can also find us at Swan Amity on Instagram and Swan Amity Studios on Facebook. Enjoy!